Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video, I'll be showing you homes all $16 million and under. Now, if you're interested in any of these homes, remember to click the links in the description box, and the description box is right below the title of this video. So if you're interested in these homes, keep on watching and let's jump right into the video. So the first home I have to show you guys today is this home located on Mimosa Avenue in the Kingston 11 area. It's going for 16 million Jamaican dollars. Now this home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, and it sits on a lot size of 5,677 square feet. Now when I did some research, I found Mimosa Road, and I believe that's what they were referring to. And the Mimosa Road, it's located off Mullines Road. Right, and I actually went and did an apartment tour in this area a few months ago, posted it on the channel. I believe those apartments were going for 25 million or so. The only thing I didn't really like about this area was the roads weren't the best, but nonetheless, that doesn't say that this road in this area on this street had to be the same way. Now here you have the house. It's in pretty decent condition. Of course, the homes, that I show you guys for these prices are usually fixer upper homes, so expect to do some renovation and some updates, but not bad, not in terrible conditions. The bedrooms are pretty moderately sized. Here you have a kitchen. Of course, you're going to need to do some work with the cabinetry, countertop. All of that needs some upgrades, but the living room area is pretty open, right? Living and dining open concept right there, so not too shabby. Bathroom definitely needs some upgrades, but you have a decent lot size, and this is also a corner lot. You also have a washroom and carport, so you have a large land space to work with. You have some fruit trees on the lot, so not bad. So 16 million Jamaican dollars. The location is going to be pretty decent, easy access to a lot of amenities, a lot of restaurants, so there you go. Alright, so once you see these colors, this construction, if you're from Kingston, you immediately recognize this apartment. This is the Oakland apartment, and it's going for 15 million Jamaican dollars. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, and the apartment size is 400 square feet. Now, Oakland's apartment is located on Constant Spring Road, which is a very central location in Kingston, well, St. Andrew. Let's say that, yeah. So Oakland apartments, they have had some history of these turbulences, let's call it that, but still nonetheless there are some areas of the apartment complex that still well sought after, and you have nice families over there, lovely apartments and homes. So here's this one. Doesn't need much work, seems quite move-in ready and ready to go. Constant Spring is a great area. It has practically everything you would need, really and truly. There's a tax office super close by here, Active Home Center. No, me just list out the place them when me like here. Active Home Center reaching this, but everybody knows Constant Spring. There's everything there: malls, shopping plazas, schools. Immaculate High School is close by, Queens, everything you need. So here again we have Oakland's apartments, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, going for 15 million Jamaican dollars. So you just need to make some upgrades, some repainting to me, that's what I would do. And you could just even rent this out. Persons in Kingston are always looking for places to rent, so that's an option too. The third home I want to show you guys is this home located on Forsyth Avenue, Spanish Town, and it's listed for 15 million Jamaican dollars. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house, and it sits on a 5,445 square foot lot. Now, this home is more specifically located in the St. John's Heights area of Spanish Town. As you know, in Spanish Town, you have different areas, different communities, some decent communities with, you know, middle income earners and so forth. It's not all bad in Spanish Town. I have quite a few friends from Spanish Town. They love living there. It's somewhere they are interested in buying their homes, right? You have decent areas in Spanish Town, don't get it twisted. So here you have this one. Of course, the terrazzo tile is definitely going to be an upgrade that you have to look into with this house. We are definitely out of the terrazzo style, and we definitely want to get rid of that. If any modification or renovations would have to be done for this one, that is definitely where you would have to look to start. All right, I love the living room space. It is quite spacious and open. Really nice to see living room spaces like that. This is a step up business area here, so we're gonna make some changes right there. Of course, I really like that. So you have some yard space. Let me slow down, right, with some fruit trees, which is really always good to have. Beautiful, you know, persons in Jamaica, we like to grow our garden, plant our little small crops, right? You have a water tank. It is fully fenced. It is also grilled. Now for this home, it is saying that cash buyers are preferred. And to me, based on the description, it seems that the owners are really trying to sell this one quickly. So that may work with an advantage for you guys if you're interested. But of course, with a description like that, you're going to get some competition also. So may the best offer win. So this one here, Spanish Town. Now, another home I have to show you guys is this one here, located in Beetle Heights, Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, we got all over Jamaica today in this video, all over Jamaica. Nobody can upset. Now it's going for $16 million, and it's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom property that sits on a 14,711 square foot lot. I want to go to country and rest. I'm tired of staying down here. Guys, man, the country houses sometimes are so impressive. Look at that lot size, man, for that price. Anyways, I'm not going to pretend to know much about Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. The only thing I know is that most persons say, you know, Santa Cruz is the main town in St. Elizabeth, even over the capital, Black River. You know, you have your schools, banks, supermarkets. It seems to be the more central area, right? So you have this home here, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. Of course, some updates have to be made. This is a fixer-upper, but not that much fixing up to me. Because look at the kitchen, like that seems to be fairly modern cabinetry and countertops. Is that granite or some material similar to that sort? As you can see, it's fully walled, it's grilled, nice landscaping, you have nice trees on the property. It's a pretty decent home. So this one is here for you guys. There's not too many pictures we can view. So if you're interested in this one, this is located again in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, going for 16 million Jamaican dollars. Now we're going to jump all the way back over to St. Catherine, guys, and we're going to look on this house in Central Avenue area in Spanish Town. It's listed for 14.5 million Jamaican dollars, and it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom property that sits on a 7,078 square foot lot. Now, if you guys are enjoying this video so far and you love the content and the knowledge and all the insights, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, as we have tons more videos coming out soon. If you're interested in any of these homes, remember, a link is in the description box below for all the realtor information, and the description box is right below the title. Now, the Spanish Town house, you can see you have quite a spacious backyard with fruit trees. It is walled, it's grilled. Little renovations need to be made, but not bad. You see the tile here, it is ceramic tile, so you don't have to worry about any terrazzo tile that needs to work, that needs any serious work. So here you go. This one here in Spanish Town, didn't have much pictures to show you of this one, but if you're interested, link will be in the description box below. You get a fairly decent yard space. It's grilled, it's walled, you have your fruit trees, you can put this one even up for rent. So there you go, Spanish Town, Jamaica. So we are staying in St. Catherine and we're looking at this home in Orchid Way, Greater Portmore, that's listed for 18 million Jamaican dollars. Now this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house that sits on a 15,888 square foot lot. Now to be specific, this is in the community of Hellshire Park. Portmore, everyone, as much as everyone likes to hate Portmore, you all seem to love Portmore because so many persons have been flocking to Portmore, and Portmore has definitely been given a lot of attention in the recent months, right? So you just have a new Price Mart that opened in Portmore. You have Portmore being considered to be a new parish. So yes, as much as persons like to hate on Portmore, Portmore is still the talk of the town sometimes, and it is still highly sought after area. Now this is an unfinished house, as you can see. You have areas, this area on the roof that you can finish up and use it as an area that you can rent out, right? So that will be a great income earner for you, and you know, you can just live downstairs. Or if this is a second property that you want to purchase and just rent the entire one as a duplex, you know, you'd have one family downstairs and the other family upstairs. That is also a possibility for you. So that's what one there in Portmore, St. Catherine. There are some renovations that you will have to do, but nothing seems too drastic, you know, still workable. So that's Portmore for you right there. That is our last video for today. Guys, do you think Portmore will become a parish? Tell me in the comments down below, and also don't forget to tell me which one was your favorite home. All the links to contact the realtors and all their information will be in the description box down below, guys, so please click those links. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit the like button. It really helps out the channel so much. And until my next video, bye guys.